Hi, I'm Steve Siegel from Grays Lake, Illinois. I had an old golf cart with 6 dead batteries. I was facing replacing all 6, going to be over $875. So I decided to invest in Tom Erickson's Easy Battery Reconditioning program, and I'm back up and running. Tom's program taught me 4 ways to see if my golf cart could even be reconditioned, and then 3 ways to recondition the batteries. And I'd recommend Easy Battery Reconditioning to anybody who wants to save money and recondition old batteries.
Hi, my name is Anthony and I've been using the Easy Battery Reconditioning for a couple of months now. So far the program has worked incredibly well for me. Now, my battery died, so I decided to use the simple steps in Easy Battery Reconditioning. And after about 30 minutes or so, my battery started working again, and it's been working incredibly well since.